Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, we're gonna learn a few quick and simple steps on how to fix Spotify not responding. If your Spotify application is not responding or not properly running on your device, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So let's get started with them one by one. The first thing you can do is to check your internet connection if you ever walk through this issue. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi or simply turn on the airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, turn it off back again, and make sure that you're connected to your internet one more time. And this might help you fix your issue. If that doesn't help, then check for the update for Spotify app. Go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Spotify in the search box. Once you perform your search, look if there is an update button available underneath the app or right next to the app. If there is one, tap the update button to download the latest version of Spotify for your mobile device. Wait until the update is downloaded. Once it is, tap on open, and then this should help you fix your issue. If the problem still persists, you can try closing off and restarting Spotify app. Swipe up the app card from the bottom of the screen and push it off to close off the application running on the background. Once you force close your Spotify app, go back and launch it open, and this will give your application a quick restart. Once you are done, this might help you fix your issue. Also make sure that the device that you're using has the latest system updates. Go and tap Open Settings menu from your mobile device and scroll down and tap on General. If you're an Android, you'll be able to see the software update button right inside the settings menu. Now, spot the software update button and tap on it. Check for the latest version of your operating system. If there is an update available, update to it, and then get back to the Spotify app. Updating to the latest operating system might be able to solve your issue right away. If nothing else works out, simply delete and reinstall your Spotify application on your device and log in back to it again, and you might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the troubleshooting methods you can try to resolve Spotify not working issue on your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.